Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Bansal Biology. In today's topic we are going to discuss about the tricks of evolution of horses. So let's get started with the video. Guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the tricks of the evolution of horse. With that we are also going to see the characteristic of these all horses which you are seeing in this picture, from Eohippus to the Equus. The Eohippus is the most previous one and the Equus is the most recent one, and this chart is showing the evolution of horses in this way. So in this we are first going to see the characteristics. So if you want to see directly the tricks of evolution of horses, then I will mention the timing of the tricks in the description box and you can directly see the tricks. So let's get started first with the characteristic. First horse is Eohippus, that is the most previous one. Here you can see the picture. The Eohippus has originated about 60 million years ago, and the size of it was only like a fox. It was around 30 centimeter. It was around 30 centimeter in height. So it is like just a fox. In forefeet there was only 4 fingers, not 5 fingers. Instead of 5 there was only 4 fingers. So what about the one finger? The one finger was in the form of splint. What is splint? Splint is the reduced finger. That is not a proper long finger, it is the reduced finger. So in forefeet 2 was actual long fingers and 1 was splint. As well as in hind feet 3 toes were present and 2 splints are present. The splints were first finger and the fifth finger, or we can say first toe and the fifth toe. Okay. Horse is Orohippus. Orohippus have originated 50 million years ago. Its forefeet has similar 4 fingers and 1 splint, that is first finger is splint. The first finger is splint. Splint is like this kind of, it is reduced finger. We can say the reduced finger. The first finger is reduced, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth are whole. As well as in hind feet 3 fingers are long and the 2 are splint, that are reduced. First and fifth finger are reduced. Here you can see only 3 fingers are shown. Next horse is Mesohippus. Mesohippus has originated about 40 million years ago and its size was like of sheep size. It was only 60 centimeter height. Its height was 60 centimeter. Its forefeet once again had 3 fingers, but now it has only 1 splint, 1 reduced finger, and that is of fifth finger. The other splint has been lost. So here only 1 splint is there and that is of fifth. The hind feet has 3 toes. Here you can see the 3 toes are shown. So the next is Meohippus. Meohippus have originated 33.9 million years ago. Its forefeet has 3 fingers, similar 1 splint, fifth finger is splint, and its hind feet has 3 toes, but now the toes were broad and spreading. So the toes have started spreading, as you can see now in today's horse that the toes is wide and spreaded. So the toes has started to broadening and spreading from Meohippus. Here you can see in the picture. So now, and here you can see this splint. This is splint. Okay. Now is Parahippus. Parahippus has originated from 24 to 17 million years ago. It has 3 fingers in forefeet and 3 toes in hind feet. And here elongation has been seen in both forefeet as well as hind feet. The next is Merychihippus. Merychihippus has originated 17 to 11 million years ago, and the height of it was like of donkey. It was around 100 centimeter in height. Its forefeet has 3 fingers but no splint, as well as its hind feet has 3 toes and no splint. You can see here 3 toes and you can see here 3 fingers. And you can see in this picture that the middle finger is growing large. It is growing very large and it is spreading and it is broadening. So you can see in both picture as well as here also. Next horse is Pleiohippus. It has originated 10 million years ago and its height was like of pony. It was around 120 centimeter in height. Its forefeet has one finger and its hind feet has one toes. So the two fingers that you were seeing in the previous horse has now become splint, and the two toes also become splint. So only the middle finger and the middle toe has grown broader and the rest of the fingers have lost, and the two fingers have become splint, and here the two toes has become splint. As you can see in the previous case, the three were long but now the two has become splint. Next horse is Equus. It is the most recent one which you can see nowadays. So Equus has originated 9 to 10 lakh years ago. It has originated 9 to 10 lakh years ago and its height is 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter is the height. Its forefeet has only one finger and its hind feet also has only one toe, and they have two splint of finger and two splint of toe. Here you can see two splints and one broad finger, and here you can see one rear leg. Now let's discuss about the tricks of evolution of horses. So first was Eohippus, then Orohippus, then Mesohippus, then Miohippus, then Parahippus, then Meryhippus, then Pleiohippus, and then Equus. So here the trick is representing the mayonnaise. You must have eaten mayonnaise with something. So the trick is related with the mayonnaise. So the trick is एक और मेरे लिए mayonnaise packet मत purchase करना. So from एक का E it is Eohippus, from और का O it's Orohippus, from मेरे लिए का M से Mesohippus, from mayonnaise के M से Miohippus, from packet से P से Parahippus, from मत के M से Meryhippus, and from purchase के P से Pleiohippus, and from E से Equus. So this one trick can help you in remembering the whole evolution of horses. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.